Oh no. Oh, it's hella salty, bro. Let's go, let's go. We in the water right now. Now you're dead. Boogie bomb. Let me get the boogie board.
Attach it to your ankle. Is that the unbroken one?
I don't know.
It's not broken.
How do I put these on? These boogie boards. You said like attach them to my ankle?
I
Yeah.
think they're too big.
Or to your hand at least. It's just, no, to your hand. It's like you don't, are you gonna keep it in your pocket?
Oh yeah. Good point.
It's so that you don't lose it.
Alright. Boogie board! Yeah! What's so salty? He's right.
I know it is.
I'm gonna boogie board. I'm gonna boogie board.
How do you do it?
It didn't work.
Don't you have to put on your chest and swim out?
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Sea turtle.
Oh, the sea turtle! Sea turtle! Sea turtle!
Oh my god.
Yeah, no joke.
I just saw a big sea turtle go under me. Oh my god.
Yo, get your goggles. You can see another one.
I don't have dogs.
Oh. Oh well.
Watch out for turtles.
Get underwater. Oh shoot. Yo!
That's so warm.
Honey, there's a sea turtle in here. We saw him. You gotta ride it as it's coming out. Like right here. Wow. You ride on your chest. Oh. Oh my god.
I'm gonna run on the wave.
No, you're not. Let's go. Oh god. It's not working. There's another one. Andy, put it on your chest like this. What? I get scared of that. Oh shit. This is not Subnautica.
Yeah, you're getting scared when you step on food.
They're not, bro. You would see them.
I know, I saw it with my eyes, bro.
He's swirling all the way that way. Oh my god.
I'm like throwing random shit at my
I don't like it.
Oh, I see. So when,
Heather.
guys, so when a big one's coming, push that way.
All right.
And then you're gonna launch.
I would. Like this. Oh shit. When a big wave comes, launch this way, towards the shore.
I hate it. Hey, they want to see this time on.
Hey, no problem. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god. Yeah, take it off.
More travel over there so Andy can get in the water.
Alright, Andy, let's go more over this way. Go, go. Come on, Andy. Woohoo! so salty though. It's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. Oh god. It's in my eyes.
What we got?
So you're actually hella deep. Alright, go. Oh.
Huh? I know, but we can't go too deep for them.
It's so salty.
I
Oh,
want to hit this deep part as well.
it's so
I want to
salty.
go hard and deep right now.
I'm saying this to Dad, bro. Chill with that.
Oh, you good?
Go, Andy! Woo! What happened? Oh. Go for it, Andy.
Andy!
They cooked.
How did we get in?
No, bro. They cooked.
Oh. I know. Let me see. Hey, jump in the water! Right there! Hey, Robin, jump in.
They got me so tired.
Wait, lay down where it goes over.
So hot. So tired. Hey, whose is this? Is this ours? Hey, my shoe! Make sure it stays up there. They took my shoe down there. They took my shoe.
Show Andy how to boogie board. Not on your feet, on your belly.
I did.